Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining per usual. So today I have this really exciting video. I know I say this a lot, but this one is super exciting for me. I am doing a Christmas decor haul, so I totally cannot wait for you to see what I got. I'm going to put the items into two different sections just so it's easier to go through. And so the first section would be the general decor, which is just what I would be putting here and there in the apartment. And so I wanted to start off with a wall art that I got from Burlington, and it just looks like this. It's neutral and white, and it says "Oh Holy Night." And I think this would tie in really well with my theme, which is white, neutrals, and gold. So this is perfect. And I also happen to love the beaded details in this. And so yeah, I am excited to hang this somewhere on my wall. And so next, I also got a couple of cone trees with different textures, by the way. And the first of them is this faux fur. I think it's kind of off-white, and it's really long. It's so soft, y'all. I love this one, and this one was from Home Goods. So this I'm thinking of putting in my TV stand, and of course you would see how I decorate all of these. And then the second one, so for this particular faux fur, I got them in two sizes. One was bigger than the other, so I'm just gonna put them in strategic places. And then the second cone tree I have is this. It's kind of like a wooden texture or a wooden material, and it's really beautiful. It looks like it's flocked, and it also has lights, so I think if I do put in some batteries, it would look really nice wherever I put them. And then the third cone, I was so excited about this one when I saw this at TJ Maxx. It was so beautiful, y'all. You're not ready for this. Look at this. Oh my god, I cannot even explain the details in this. It kind of looks like it has crystals in it, and the main base of this tree is gold. It's that perfect shade of gold. And it's just so pretty, and it's the tall one as well. I think it's the same length as this one, or I think this one might be a little longer, but it is just so beautiful. It is such a statement piece, and I absolutely love this one. This I think was a bit of a splurge for me, just because, you know, when you get things from Hobby Lobby, you're getting them for 60% off. But with TJ Maxx, there was no such discount. But I just love this so much, and I think it would tie in really well with everything else. Love. And then moving on with that, for more of my table decor or my TV stand decor, I wanted to get something to place in some fillers, and so I got this wooden bowl. It's just a regular wooden bowl, and this was from Burlington as well. And so to decorate this, I'm just going to put in some vase fillers, and these are, I don't know, they have this really intricate details. Let me come closer so you can see. It's like wooden, and it's got specks of gold, brown, of course white, and I even see some shades of green, but it's not much. I just love the details in this, and so I'd just be pairing them, or at least put them in this bowl and place them in my TV stand. So this one too was such a steal, and I love it. One of the other things that I absolutely love, well, I love all of the stuff I picked up, but I was super excited for this one as well. So I happened to be at Hobby Lobby, and I did pick up some picks, but when I put them in the vase that I have, I didn't really like it because there was a huge contrast. Those were white picks, and so I happened to come across other picks, and oh my god, these are so pretty. I think it's usually this shade of gold that just gets me. It's rich and it's vibrant, and it doesn't look like that cheap sort of gold. It's just pretty, y'all. Look at these pics. So this one looks like this. So this one is all gold, and then this one has more of green foliage, but it also has that, it almost looks like it's spray painted with gold as well. Isn't this pretty? So I'm going to be pairing these two together and just place them in a vase. I am just so excited for this one. Love, love, love. And then moving along, I also got some lights from Walmart. These are just the warm white mini LED lights. I'm thinking of intertwining them with the garland that I got, and I will show you that in a bit. I hope this works out. This is just something I had in my mind, so hopefully it turns out right. And also in line with that, I also got some snow blankets from Hobby Lobby as well. And for this, I think I'm just going to place them somewhere on my TV stand along with the lights and everything else. Hopefully, like I said, I have this picture in my mind, but we'll see how that turns out. I also happened to stop by the Target dollar spot, and I got some little trees to put in my TV stand as well. So these are just regular ones. I got two different ones, but that's it. It was just $1 for each of these trees, and I think they would look really cute. So one other thing that I got was a candle, of course. You know, I love candles, and Bath and Body Works just do their candles so well. The packaging, the smell, everything is always top notch. So this one is not too Christmassy per se, but I really love this. This is something that I've already used in the past, and so I knew that I would like it, and so I just decided to pick that up. So that's cute. And what else? Oh, I do have this really, really pretty garland that I got from Hobby Lobby as well. The details in this too are just so pretty. I would try to show you a close-up of it just because it's so long and it's kind of difficult to pull. It's right now on my bed, but this is just so pretty. I can just picture this on my TV stand along with the lights and the snow blanket. It's gonna look so cute. And then I also wanted to get some pillows, and the hunt for the pillows was so stressful. Like, initially I found some pillows at Target, and then, well, the first time that I saw them, I didn't pick them up, of course, and by the time I went back, it was nowhere to be found. So I've been looking everywhere for pillows, and I finally found one that I like. Oops. Okay. So this, I don't think the camera is doing it much justice, but it's just neutral and white, and it's got that gold thread all over as well, and it also has the tassels. Love this. This one is slightly bigger than the pillows I currently have right now. I think these are 20 by 20 pillows. But I just love this. Again, it's going to work so well with everything else I have in my living room. So I absolutely cannot wait to style this up. For this next section, I have all of the decor I got for my tree. And so we're going to start off with these ribbons. You guys, my sister actually talked me into getting ribbons for my tree. I have never decorated a tree in my life, so Lord help me. But this ribbon is just so cute. I actually tried to put them side by side with my decor for the tree, and I think it might look nice in the end. It's like this ivory color, and it's got specks of silver and I think gold in it. I might give you like a close-up, but right now the lighting isn't the best, so I can do like an overlay so you can see it. So I actually got like 3 of these. I just have no idea how many would be enough. So there's that, but I think it might end up looking cute. And then I got this pack of snowflakes, which are just white, and it kind of has that shimmery details in it as well. Nothing much to say about this. It's a pack of 24 and I got this from Hobby Lobby as well. And you know, this was 60% off, so it wasn't too bad. And then going with the ornaments, I picked up some from At Home. We don't have an At Home in my city, but I placed an order online, of course, and these are so pretty, y'all. Look at that. I think the camera is kind of washing it out. It doesn't look as champagne-y as it looks on the camera. It's more of that rich gold that I said I liked. It's more similar to one of the cone trees that I showed you. It is just so pretty, y'all. I love this, and it was a pack of 6. Got this for $5.99. Love, love, love that. Also from At Home, I got these ornaments. These are so pretty. I just have to take these out of the pack so you can see it. It's like a faux fur. It's off-white or white, and it's got gold in it as well. Let's see if the camera would focus. Yes, there we go. Can you get into this? It is just so pretty. So I mainly got this because I wanted to add some texture to my ornaments and to my tree, because I felt that I was getting more of plain looking ornaments, so I wanted something a bit more what do we call it, a bit more detailed, if you will. So I love, love, love this, and these are slightly bigger than the regular ornaments that I got from Hobby Lobby, and this was a pack of 4. Love them. And then also, I don't even know what got into me, but I also decided to pick up these ornaments. Yeah, there we go. These ornaments from Home Goods. These are just so pretty. They're like clear and they have that gold detail. And then do you see these studs? I know these are not studs, but I can't think of the name right now. These are more so like pearls, so I think it would just bring together the gold and the white. And I've also noticed that I'm kind of throwing in some silver details as well, so I think this will look so nice. These are also slightly bigger, so probably would have to put these up first. It's a pack of 4. Love them as well. And then, oh, okay, so I also got this big box of ornaments from Hobby Lobby as well. The camera's washing them out, but they're mainly like gold and champagne, I think. And it looks more gold than it's showing on camera per se, but this is a lot, so I would definitely be having some leftovers. Love that as well. And so we're gonna move on to the picks. And so for that one, I got 4 different types from Hobby Lobby as well, and I'm just so excited for these picks because they are so beautiful. So one of them is this flower-like pick, and it's in that rich neutral color that would just look so good, and it has that gold detail in it, so it's just like a regular flower. Love this one. The second one is also like this. There's not much to say about this. So you would probably see that this would be like my main color palette, so they work really well together. And then these leaves too are just so pretty. Oh no, the camera's washing it out. I would have to show you a close-up. It's in this really rich, like champagne-ish color, and it has, I think it has specks of white-ish, almost like it's flocked, and it's just so cute. The color is so rich, y'all. I love, love, love this. And then the 4th type of pick that I got was this too as well. It's just got 3 ornaments right there. Very beautiful, and I love the details on this. Let's see. Okay, yeah, there we go. The details on that, it kind of looks like crystals on there. Just perfect, y'all. I also got a makeshift tree skirt from Five Below, but I would not be showing that. It's just a regular white blanket that I'm going to be using to make a tree skirt. So that's just one tip to kind of, cut the expenses, because tree skirts are just so expensive. So I had to improvise on that. And then I also got this. I'm going to be using this as my tree topper, and this is from Dollar Tree. So of course this was just $1.25. I was just ecstatic when I found this because it works so well with my theme. And so yeah, another way to save money when you're splurging so much on these Christmas decor, especially when it's your first time decorating. So I do have some bits and bobs here and there, like the ornament hooks, but that too I'm not going to show. It's just regular stuff. And finally, I have my tree. I was so excited to get my tree for the first time, and of course I had to, we're balling on a budget here. So I got my tree from Walmart. It's a 6.5-foot tree, and so I actually wanted to do like an unboxing today and maybe try to start fluffing it out so that by the time we start decorating this weekend, it's going to be so much easier on me. So let's go ahead and do that right now.